पयलेच खेप लोर्ना बार्देसांत येता आनी तांची ही कार्यावळ सनबर्नाचे तोडीची आसतली अशें आमदार मायकल लोबो हांणी ह्या वेळार म्हळें.
लोर्ना केन्ना बार्देजान येवन वाजोवंक ना, सो फर्स्ट टायम येता. सो ह्याच निमित्तान सेंट रिटाज एसोसिएशनान जे प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडला, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग ऑल people from Bardez, North Goa and entire Goa to come over there to witness the program. So it will be in par with Sunburn. So youthakui मातशे पडीत करता की थोडे DJ म्युजीक आसतले म्हणून तेंगा. So Lorna will also bring a very good DJ, so don't worry. So it will be in par with Sunburn events.
लोर्ना हांकां गोंयची नायटिंगेल म्हणटात. तांचे संगीत दर एका गोंयकाराच्या मन काळजांत गाजता. पयलेच खेप त्यो बार्देसांत येतात ही बार्देसकारां खातीर भोव अभिमानाची गजाल अशें आमदार टिकलो हांणी ह्या वेळार म्हळें.
Lorna in Corona will be there on the 6th of January at 7 o'clock. In fact, everyone knows she's the Nightingale of Goa, where Lorna music echoes in each and every mind and heart of every Goan. She has had numbers which will always be remembered, like Kalangut, Piso, Adios, and so many songs, and also her involvement in movies as a singer has been there. So today is a proud moment. I really congratulate St. Rita Association for getting Lorna into our village of Corona, Alzana constituency. And I must thank Honorable MLA of Kalangut and our Deputy Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Mr. Michael Lobo, for all his support he has given us, because this will be one of its kind organized by St. Rita Association, where we're expecting a huge crowd all over Goa, from the Bardes especially and north of Goa. Because the moment Lorna takes off, I mean, Muntar Kong Namche Kandi Ube Atat, everybody has stands. She's so powerful, such a singer. And today we are all happy, we are all proud, and something for the first time, Lorna will be brought in our constituency, and we expect everyone to be there.
ह्या वेळार सेंट रिटाज असोसिएशनाचे अध्यक्ष चार्ल्स कारवाल हांणी हे संस्थे विशीं म्हायती दिली.
St. Rita's Association is a small club which was registered in 1967 and has completed 50 years of service to the public. We have had our ups and downs, and throughout this period we have been encouraging the youth of our village to move forward, to come together, move forward for a better future. An institution is just not the four walls and a roof. The soul of an institution is the youth who are going to come forward to have a better prospect in their life. To this end, we have had many cultural activities, sports activities, and now we have come so far that we would like to host Lorna, one of our big musical shows, which will be there for the first time in Bardes.